surprise of welcome home mommy from the baby. It's from Mrs. Twilly. As soon as she took Jamie to the park. She'll be back about 4. Well, at least you can get some rest.
Goodbye, Cliff.
You sure you're all right?
I'm fine, thank you.
You look terrible.
You say the sweetest things.
Last night when we met in the Unicorn...
I don't want to talk about that.
Just a minute. Last night when we met in the Unicorn, you were running around there. Were you looking for the letter?
No.
Take it easy, will you? We've already got the letter. It's already been admitted to evidence.
I was looking for a solid gold compact.
You were looking for the letter, all right. What I don't know is why didn't you take it the first time you were there? You wanted to take it the first time you were there, but you were afraid to hang around the scene of a crime too long. Is that it?
I don't know what you're talking about.
What I'm talking about is why didn't you take the letter when you went there to murder Elliot Dorn?
You have no idea who you're dealing with. Now get out of here. Get out of here!
Well, you know my attitude about optimistic predictions, but this time I really think we have better than a 50-50 chance of winning it. Which means that Logan may have his child back within a few days. Hang on just a second, Nancy. Anna left me a message I haven't had a chance to look at. Well, what do you know? It may be sooner than that. Judge Lewis is going to hand down his decision tomorrow morning. Yeah. Well, that's a shame that you won't be able to be back here, but you might be back for an even happier occasion. Yeah, we're going to keep our fingers crossed. I'll do that. Love you, darling. Bye-bye.
Sorry I'm late, Mike. I had to ferry Raven home to him.
Oh? And that was above and beyond the call of duty?
I don't think she appreciated it. Tell Nancy about what happened today?
Oh, yes. And I also told her about what's going to happen tomorrow morning.
Oh, that was fast.
Maybe a new world's record.
Yeah, this is good news. Has Raven been notified?
Well, her lawyer will tell her.
Poor Rutledge. Mike, if this case goes against her, I'd hate to be in her path.